Hey guys, welcome back. Tim Knox with Revolved Realty here, talking to my friend Noel Bishop of Bishop 30 Solutions. How are you, buddy?
I'm doing good.
We have been talking in this series of videos about how you can stay safer
Right.
in an unsafe world. We've talked about things like situational awareness, being aware of your situation wherever you are, whether you're at home, church, schools, anywhere.
Same stuff.
Yep. How not to be a soft target, how focusing on your cell phone can actually make you a soft target. Let's talk this video about being in your car.
Yep.
Because as a realtor, I'm in my car a lot, and people, remember the old movies where they would take it, always check the back seat.
Yeah.
And, because let me tell you something, there's somebody in my back seat, I'm going to know it. But in the movies, they never
I never figured that out.
Yeah. But, so what are some safety tips to keep yourself safe when it comes to your vehicle?
Well, the first thing is, because first of all, realtors spend a lot of time in their vehicles.
We do, yeah.
Okay. It's a simple thing. When you pull up to like a stoplight and the car's in front of you, don't get right on their bumper. All right. Give you some space. What you want to do is be able to, if you're going to get carjacked, you want to be able to get out of that area.
Right. Give yourself some space to maneuver.
Right.
Yeah.
So always find an exit. Always find a way to get out of there.
Right.
And it may result in you backing up first and then going forward. If you hit a couple cars, it's your life. Go ahead.
Yeah.
That's insurance.
Right.
The other thing is when you stop, look around. The things that are in your car, I know your kids are in there. Sometimes they're a little hostile. Okay. But they're probably not going to try and kill you or carjack you.
Right.
So look around. You don't have to make, eye contact with someone for a long time or be hostile about it, but make just a general glance so they know that they're there.
Right.
And you want to know what's outside that car.
Yeah.
You don't want to be sitting there and the guy opens the door, you have no reference that you're about ready to get carjacked, and because maybe you're looking at your phone, okay, and you're not even giving yourself a chance.
Right.
So look around.
Yeah.
Nothing in that car is going to hurt you.
One thing that I always preached to my daughters was, number one, I hated for them to go out at night. It was all, the daddy paranoia. But I would always say, make sure no one is following you as you walk to your car. Check the back seat. And when you get in the car, lock the doors.
Right.
But again, so many times they're on that phone, they slide in. I've seen people get in their cars in parking lots and just leave the door open while they're on the phone until they can wrap up that all-important call.
That's right.
So again, don't make yourself a soft target by putting yourself, because let me tell you, if you're in a car with a bad guy, that's a very small space to be in.
Yes.
And
that's way too personal.
You don't have a lot of room to maneuver. You don't really have a lot of room to fight. And if you are, if you're a lady who's smaller than your assailant, you're not going to win in that situation typically.
And once the car is up to speed, it gets very dangerous to try and get out.
Right. Yeah. If you're already on the highway and there's someone in the car with you, or if there are people outside trying to run you off the road, you mentioned the blocking you in. We see this a lot, I think, primarily in larger cities, but I'm sure it happens here, where someone is going down the road and they'll either get hit intentionally or they'll park in front and behind to block them in. So again, it goes back to being situationally aware regardless of where you are.
And that's a good point of blocking in. So in the realtor safety course, I teach that if you pull up and you're going to show, so you're going to show a house. If you can, park on the street, where there's no one that can block you in.
Driveway.
Yes, but sometimes you can't park on the street. Pull up in the driveway, pull to one side, but stop the car, the end of the car, by the street, so they can't get behind you.
That's a good point.
So
they can't
set
block
yourself
you
up for your defensive plan and success.
Yeah, and we're going to talk about the realtor safety courses that you teach, because little things like that do make a big difference. It's been in the news all the time. Realtors who are kidnapped, assaulted, or even murdered, just out doing our job. So, hey, Noel, if they have questions about anything that you do, how do they get a hold of you?
Well, you can jump on my website at Bishop 30 Solutions. That's bishop30solutions.com. Or you can give me a call at 513-2280, and I would love to hear from you.
Very good. And as always, if I can do anything for you when it comes to real estate, give me a call, 679-0704. Find me on the web at revolved.com. And darn it, be safe out there.
Be safe. Yeah.
As Andy Griffith would say, act like you got some smart.
Yeah.
That's the best advice.
That is. Some people don't have a lot of that.
Oh, God love them.
Yeah. They just need to watch our videos and they will.
Yeah, that's a whole nother video. All right. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.